We were fortunate in that there were only 2 injuries, and they were both non-fatal. When you get an event like this, it is fairly significant, and we're very lucky that we did not have any serious injuries. So that's what I'm most happy about. But second, again, to reinforce the emergency responders and all the other folks who support this operation did an outstanding job for us.
We went through this a couple years ago when there was the home in Lewis that was damaged. But I mean, this is just unbelievable, and it is so fast. I mean, the residents have so little time to prepare for it, and so I mean, it's incredible to me. That the injuries. I feel very badly for the people who were injured, but when you see something like this, I mean, you sort of wonder, like, there but for the grace of God, imagine what may have happened.